Previously in the solar industry, a lot of people were just concentrating on install and see you later.
What makes Sunnova different is we're here for the long run with a 25-year service, ensuring that we can grow with our customers and that their power will continue to flow.
We differentiate ourselves with our service.
Service means we're able to provide best-in-class technology, battery technology, inverters, solar panels. Then once the system's installed, we're making sure that everything is functioning the way that it should be, and then help the customer better control how they manage their power.
We aren't going out and putting solar panels on roofs and then leaving.
We're providing energy services to our customers for 25 years.
Because we monitor, we're able to see how things are changing. Are you producing excess production? Perhaps it's time for you to get a battery. Are you starting to consume more? Perhaps it's time for you to make your system a little bit bigger so that you can offset some of those costs.
We're bringing together all of these technologies and we're able to wrap it with our service. That's really exciting. That's never been done before.
No one's going to deliver service better than Sunnova.